Welcome to Accent Master. Alright, back with Italian food. This is one of my favorites. So how do you pronounce it? So the correct standard Italian pronunciation of this word would be lasagne. Lasagne. La-za-nye. Lasagne. Now, there is a lot of variation within Italy. First and foremost, the S. So as you can see, right now, this S is in between two vowels. So according to standard rules that apply 80% of the times, this should be pronounced like a Z sound. So la-za, lasagne, lasagne. With that being said, everyone in the south and a lot of people in the center will pronounce it like a S. So lasagne rather than lasagne. So you can tell the difference. Z is actually using my vocal cords. S, it's not. Now, which one you use, it's up to you. It is more correct to pronounce it Z, but a lot of Italians don't, so both are fine. You will have also encountered this version. This is the singular form, lasagna or lasagna. This is more commonly used in the south, and the idea is, while it is technically more correct to refer to it as multiple, lasagne, because at the end of the day that kind of conveys the idea of many layers, many Italians consider it to be a single unit. It's a dish, and at that point they will use it, or they will pronounce it as lasagna. Both are fine. It is more correct to say lasagne, but a lot of Italians say lasagna. When it comes to the GN, depending on the region, it might sound stronger or lighter. So some people might say lasagne rather than lasagne. That's up to you. In standard, it should be middle strength, not too light, but not too strong. And the lighter version being more common in the north. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe for more. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask.